Hi guys, this video is only for newbies, especially who want to create an LLC as a single sole member. So let's start here. Since I'm living in Virginia, I will choose my own state. This is my dashboard, and this is the website you need to access to create an LLC without using any third-party platform like Inkfile, LegalZoom, which cost you couple hundreds of dollars. And since Virginia filing fees is just $100, and it will cost you only $100. That's it for filing for article of organization, which is the major documentation for having an LLC in the state. And you can learn in this video how to create yourself as a registered agent rather paying to any other registered agent. But if you want to minimize the risk, you can hire any registered agent on the cheap price of $49, because registered agent must be in the same state you are filing in. So once you create your sign up, then this is your dashboard. This is my name, and I will simply go on online services. Let me show you. I already have an LLC here, and I will show you a copy of LLC, how to create new LLC. It's not only this one, any other uh, state has different look like different outlay of the I mean different layout for their own website, but the method is same. You like this online services, create your login. Once you log in, you can create in Georgia or any other state. So we are going to file LLC. Documentation type is article of organization. Excuse me. Continue. Then these are all the steps you are going to go through. First, you gotta check if the name is available. This reserve means if you have already a reservation ID PIN number, you were on this website before and but you bailed out due to some emergency and you want to continue your documentation. Simply go here, check name availability. Even if the name is registered in another state, you are still be able to register in this in another state like this, like in your own state, but you have to get the permission from your state and like domestication uh, recommendation and foreign LLC recommendation. I will choose the entity information, my own email, phone number, and this is since you are not going to um, create any non-profit organization, general zero. You want to create this for temporary time period or forever. I choose forever. Click next. Entity. Now here, if you have registered agent, you can simply take out the registered agent. This is known as commercial agent for Virginia, commercial agent for California, anything. Simply go here, order now, put your data, your business name, entity ID or anything, your billing payment, click submit. You will receive an email and you can write entity ID from that email or entity name. Since I'm going to, or individual registered agent could be here. Actually, you will receive the email for individual registered agent. But once I will click individual here, then simply I will click here, create individual registered agent, which I'm going to file myself. Member or manager of liability company, that is a member. This line is for any second person in your LLC, but working as member, not CEO. But if you are the member, manager, or CEO yourself, click here. Your name, county, city, address, zip code, email, done. Yes. Uh, excuse me. Since I said individual must be a resident of Virginia, the registered agent. Click individual is a resident of Virginia. Next, your principal address, physical address of the LLC. Yes, my own address. I will click next. Manager manage, obviously, because I don't have any member other than me. It's a sole member. If you have any documentation just to show by chance that this is your strategy, this is your game plan, a business plan. You can attach here. This is just for like formal documentation, but not required as written on the top line. So I will simply click next. Signature, I will recommend to write your full name. Add. This is for who is filing this whole form for you on behalf of any business entity or lawyer. So you will click here. If you are doing yourself individual, I already added here. Next. Just review your documentation. Make sure spelling, address, zip code, and state name is correct. Add to shopping cart. This is the filing fees, $100. Some states have different. Delaware, I think, had 25 extra, 125. New York, $200. Georgia has $100. So simply check out. It will go into your cart like this. Go to your payment. I agree. Just make sure write your data information, everything, and card number here, and then continue. Then it will ask you to submit. That's all. That's all you gotta do. I will just delete this, and once you will click after payment last submit, you will receive right away the email you mentioned. On that same email address you will receive documents like this right away, that this is your LLC. I just created on May 3rd 2021. If but you are required to have EIN is must actually. So EIN is really easy. You don't need to pay 70 or 150 or $200 to any third party to take out it for you. They can expedite the process. You can pay, but if you don't want to, uh, I mean, put a lot of money and you have enough time to take it out, apply online. Since this is weekend, I'm creating this video on Saturday, so it is better I will create another video and on Monday, so I will post on my YouTube channel. You can simply see there. It will require just, it takes only for less than 5 minutes, and at the end of submission you will see at this corner of the page will have your EIN connected to your LLC or the company. That's all for today. Thank you.